Okay, so I just got the inside scoop on this one. They said it does need work. It's a 1973 Chevy Corvette. Said that they actually put quite a few miles on it, trying to figure out what's going on. Number 7 cylinder is dead. Does run. They said you can feel it missing, and it drives pretty good is what they said. So what we're gonna do is do a check out, and I mean basically test drive this car, check it out like I normally do, chip scratches, rust dents, whatever I can find, so you know the rest about the car. There's detailed pictures. Financing and shipping is available, and we priced it accordingly. They already said that. They said they dropped the price quite a bit from what they were going to price it because of the motor. All right, about that time. Let's go for a ride. Checking out our interior before we leave here. Place those bets. Do you think the horn works? Showing you the mileage. Go ahead and start it up. It's actually got good oil pressure. Wipers. Are they working? Nope. Headlights need work. Passenger window also needs work. It doesn't do anything. Blower motor also needs work. What about the radio? No tunage. It's cutting on, but no tunage. Turn signals, what are they doing? Left, right. Yeah, they're working. Got the telescoping extendo steering wheel, tilt column. Driver window does work. A little slow though. All right, place those bets. What do you think about the horn? Nope, doesn't work. All right, see what else we can find here. Of course, it started raining out here on me. I don't know what the weather's going to do, but we'll go ahead and check out the motor. See, it's definitely got a mist, but it's still running. Okay, so I'm gonna lay the hood down. The latch on this hood is messed up. I've noticed that too. What is that? A bunch of paper or something? Oh, I lost it. Whoops. Yeah, the latch on this one is definitely not working right. And I feel like I see why. There's nothing there. On this other side, what do we got going on here? Yeah, I'm gonna say that's another reason the latch isn't working that way. So I'm not gonna test drive it with the hood not able to stay down. Yeah, because that's all we got there. The hood's not gonna stay down. It should, since you're going forward, but I don't want it to mess up. So we're gonna do a walk around here, give a listen to it. look and see if the engine temperature came up. Okay, so the gauge is working there. Engine temperature is coming up. All right, we're gonna go ahead and walk around this ride real quick. Check for anything body-wise. We know the headlights need work. There's some little bubbles in the paint. Chip in the front here. Little wax in your cracks and crevices. Chips there. Emblem's not the perfect shape there. It's got some stains, a little sun damage. Cracks right here in your paint. Tires look pretty decent. Chip there. Spot in the corner. Pitting on the rear bumper here. Bird got us. A little bit of pitting on your handle. Spot right here on the side. Some little cracks. Kind of fall on the line here. Still cracks. Still all the way up. I get more spaced out as it comes to the front, but there is. There's a little cracks. This piece here is not stuck in there either. You can pull it out. Yep. So this car needs some finishing up. This is a project car. We had 2 or 3 project cars this week. Some of y'all love that. I mean, some of y'all asked for these project cars. Well, you got them now, so. And then others want to buy something that's done and they don't have to do nothing to. Little spots here. If that's the case, don't buy this one. Because you got a few things to do. There's always a drain in here too. You always need to keep those cleaned out. In the past, probably 10 years ago since the last time I've done it, we had one that filled it with water, the gas tank did, because the drain in the gas cap there was clogged up. So I had to drain the tank. And what I did, I remember at the time I used an air duster and I blew the line out. I had a guy once blow it out with a air line, and it was too much power and it blew the hose off. So don't do that. Just use something light, something that'll just get the dirt and dust all the way through. Little wax. There's a lot of little wax left on this car. Excuse me, guys. Photosynthesis right there. Scratch. Y'all know what that is? When the sun makes you sneeze. You ever heard of that before? Look it up. Have fun. It just wanted to make me sneeze before it went behind the clouds. Man, that looks kind of nasty, don't it? Got a little red up here too. That trim right there is not all the way up against the panel either. That's what I'm doing right now.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm seeing y'all on, I follow y'all on Facebook.
I appreciate it.
On my way to Florida.
Little cracks there.
Let me swing back by here just because I'm blowing some time.
Yeah.
We'll check you guys out.
Now make yourself at home. I'm trying to get all these done before baby gets here.
Yeah.
Yep.
You guys don't really get any.
All right. Sorry about that, guys. I didn't know that he was going to interrupt the video like that, but that's okay. I'm trying to remember where I was. I think I'm just going to start over. So we're coming up into the door here. Door panel. I have no clue what I was doing. That's why I leave the premises. All right. That and they're trying to close the lot on me right now, and I'm trying to work over. I think that's some water. Yep. Missing a lid here too. Yeah, because whatever I don't get done basically don't get sold. The latch there's just missing. And Pops was trying to get me to have everything done. I was like, what if she goes into labor right now? He's like, I don't know what to tell you. Pops is a hard worker. He's always pushed that on us. I said I'll do what I can. That's why I've doubled production. I'm on number 7 video today, and I usually only do 3 a day. I'm actually wore out, but this one, the battery's a little, yeah. She needs some love, that is for sure. I try to pick out the flaws so you know what you're getting. Your mirror there is messed up. Your seal's a little boogered up here too. It does run in drive. They told me it runs in drive good. Me, personally, I don't want to take them down the road when the hood don't latch. So I'm not going to do that. And it started raining on me out here. Yeah, not too bad. Tires, decent shape, wheels. Kind of sucks the motor's messed up in this one. And guys, this is the matching number 454 big block under the hood. If you have any more questions, be sure to give us a call. If there's something I didn't go over, we can go over that for you. See it? Oh, it's smoking a little bit now. It's out the driver's rear tailpipe. See it coming out there. We know it needs work, it's priced accordingly. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit subscribe, share. Some of them are projects and some of them are show cars. We have those in the showroom. They don't stick around long. Projects actually stick around a little bit longer, but people are pretty grateful to be able to pick up a car for this price. Again, detailed pictures, financing, and shipping, that's maplemotors.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.